Do you have a nasty smell coming from your garbage disposal?
I'm going to show you some tricks on trays how to clean your garbage disposal and make sure you never get it clogged ever again. Get a lot of ice in a bowl and dump it down in your garbage disposal when it's running. The ice is going to clean and sharpen your blades inside your garbage disposal. Even though your garbage disposal is meant for chopping up food, it's not really good for your plumbing. I would suggest getting a strainer like this to put it over top of your garbage disposal. This way you stop any food going down in your drain and you can just throw it in the trash. Because if you start throwing potato skins and other food debris in here, it's going to end up clogging your drain eventually. And please do not pour grease down your drain. That is the worst thing that you can do for your plumbing. When that gets in your plumbing, it gets all congratulated and it's really hard to get out. So now you know.